Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making peach smoothie. In a blender I put in some dry dates. To that I added milk. I'm just going to blend this together nicely so when I add the other ingredient they can easily combine. After blending the date until it is smooth, I will add my frozen peach and I will add some plain Greek yogurt. This is going to help the smoothie look creamy and also add some more protein. After adding, I'm going to blend until everything is very smooth. Serve and enjoy. I will be sprinkling some ground cinnamon on mine, which is totally optional. And you can also use this recipe for your breakfast, for a snack. You can also pour it in a popsicle mold to make some popsicle. You have so many options for this recipe. Be safe and eat more fruits that are in season. I'll see you in the next video.